Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to be making a summer project today. It's a lemonade cup. There are many pieces, so if you just check to make sure you have all of them. We're going to put the cup part aside and do all the little pieces first. So the lemons are going to look like this with the little sections on top. So remember, just use a tiny bit of glue. And I don't put glue on every single section. I just put it on the bigger spots where the glue will fit. Because it is such a small piece of paper, it won't need a lot of glue. And then you put that right in the center. Be sure you leave a borders, because that's supposed to be like the skin of the lemon. And I'm going to get the bigger piece and just put glue like in the little sections. There we go. And then you can tell by the shapes that this half lemon is going to go there. This one is going to go on the outside part of the cup, so you can put that one aside for now. And then for this one, we're going to put glue here. Just put our lemon right on top. Matches perfectly. Okay, put that off to the side. Now for your umbrella, please be sure you do the stick part of the umbrella first, because otherwise it's going to be on top of your umbrella and it looks a little strange that way. Okay, so I'm putting the umbrella here. The rounded part goes at the top, and then the straight part goes at the bottom. Here's our straw. Now when you're doing the parts of the umbrella, make sure you match them before you start to glue. Okay, so there's two of them that are kind of pointed on the ends here. Those are going to go here. And then the one that looks like a perfect smile is going to go right in the middle. But be sure you match it before you glue. Sometimes you have to flip them over, like this way or this way to make them fit. Yeah, I'm just putting glue where the umbrella pink parts are going to be, not the whole umbrella. And then just match it up. And then we're going to set this aside to dry. Okay, then we're going to get our big cup. The white piece, the really big white piece, has the folds already marked for you. You just need to be sure you fold it in those areas. Now you'll notice the tops of the yellow are kind of curved. It's just to look more like a realistic lemonade cup, so it's not all perfectly straight. There's really no right or wrong way. The way I tried to do it is I tried to make the curve match. So this is going down, so this one is down, then going up. This is up, going down, and then this is the down going up. Okay? But like I said, there is really no right or wrong way. Just be sure you're putting the wider piece here, narrow, wider, narrow. And then we're just going to put glue on these. And then you want to leave a little border around the edge. So try to leave the little white here along all the sides. Remember, just wiggle it around if it's not straight at the beginning, because this glue lets you move it around until it dries. Then it's hard to move. Okay, now the end has that tab, the one that we always use to glue. So we're going to put the glue on that. And then when you make your folds, it's going to look like a lemonade cup. And use the tab to glue it together. And then it's going to look like down the inside. Now, for these two, remember, make sure the numbers are facing the right way. Sorry, I forgot to say that when you were gluing on the other parts. Then you're going to fold where the little diagonal line meets the flat line. That's your fold area. And remember, always just fold one side first. You're going to put it in your cup. And then you're going to see, let's fold this one like this. Because then it helps you know where the fold's supposed to be. And what I usually do is I just make a little crease. Then I take it out. And then I fold it. And remember, the glue goes on the tabs. And you just stick it in like that. And you don't stick it way at the front. Okay, you have to move it back. See how there's a little space right here? Move it back just a little bit. And just make sure that from the front, see how right now I can see the white from the front? So I'm just going to push it down a little bit more. That means I made it a little too high. And then when I go this way now, it's a nice straight edge. Okay, same thing with the other one. I'm going to fold where the diagonal line meets the straight line. Put it in my cup. I hold it with this hand and stick this part in. Make a little mark. And I put the glue on my tabs one more time. Just make sure it's facing forward because you want the colored part showing. Okay, so I'm putting the colored part showing. Stick that in. And just like the other one, I don't want to make sure that it's not touching the back this time instead of the front. You want to give them a little space in between. Okay, so that when you look at it this way, it looks like that. And then your other lemon, you could put wherever you want. Okay, I'm putting mine in this corner. And then you can write a message on your lemonade cup if you want to, or you could just leave it just the way it is. Thank you.